And welcome once again, and we are going to complete the chapter. We are doing fabric from fiber, and you know that what fabric is and what fiber is, and why do we wear fabric? To protect us from heat and cold, and also it makes us look nice and decent. Chalo, let's move to the and we get clothes from different kinds of animals, kinds of fiber, that is from plant fiber. It can be plant as well as animal. That quickly we are going to recapitulate what we have done so far. So let's see what is there. And fibers obtained from plants and fiber obtained from animals like wool and silk, and fibers obtained from plants, what is cotton, flax. Okay, let's see. Animal fibers we have done already, just a short recapitulation. Okay, silk and wool and silk are, and we basically we are going to focus on silk and animal fiber, that is wool and silk. We get wool from the fleece, the upper coat of the animal of what animal? Not all the animals are what? Animals like sheep, goat, camel, yak, and these are made used for making wool fibers, which is made for woolen clothes, which is used for making woolen clothes. And there are different kinds of, one marks question, different kinds of wool, that is angora, pashmina, shatus, lamb's wool, and their qualities depends on the softness, luster, the warmth it gives. According to that, this is categorized as the best. Okay, so do you know it is we have done? So okay, let's move quickly, and this part is important. This is one more question. Please stay, please remember this, that why wool is, how wool protect us from cold in winter. So shearing and how making steps. First step is shearing, second step is scouring, where dirt is removed from, dirt and grease is removed from the fleece by washing it in detergent and hot water. Next is sorting, as it is clear, क्या है, different texture is separated, and fibers are scoured and again and then dried. Here one thing is, this is important, sorting is a hazardous job because the person involved may get infected by a bacterium called anthrax, which is called sorter disease. You know, wool industry is the most important means of livelihood of many people, but sorters job is very risky because sometimes they get infected by a bacterium called, this is anthrax, which cause fatal blood, this is blood disease, and it is called sorters disease. And because that's why, because it is people get the person who is doing this job get infected by this bacterium, so it is called occupational hazard. Okay, so let's and the next step is dyeing, coloring, that is, and then spinning. After that it is spinned to make yarn, and the yarn is woven to make wool. Now yarn, okay, so it may be shorter or long in size. Longer threads are knitted to make sweater, whereas छोटा वाला जो होता है वो क्या चीज़ के काम में आता है, चटाई वगैरह बनाने के काम में आता है. चलो, the shorter threads are woven to make woolen fabrics, which are used for making coat, trouser, jackets and shawls. Not only that, it can be used for many types of woolen items. Okay, so that may include mattress or woolen things. Okay, now let's move to the next. Now silk. Silk, as it is clear that silk is obtained from silkworm, which feeds on mulberry plant. Silkworm have been selectively bred for thousands of years since silk was discovered. So this is silkworm is the only insect apart from bee which has been domesticated. Silkworm is domesticated for one's own benefit. Domesticated alongside bees, silkworm are the only other insects human have domesticated. And you know what domesticated means? The animals which live around human beings. Okay, so next is variety of silk are there, and we have done rearing of silkworm, how the silkworm, how long it takes, and then the caterpillar then secrete the liquid, and when it comes with air it changes into fine thread which is made of protein. These things we have already done, and we have done reeling, dyeing, spinning and weaving. Let's do it. I repeat once again that this is important, and 1 mark 1 line question, 2 marks question may come from this. So this is important. Keywords, always remember, learn keywords by heart. I repeat many a times, you must know this part is also very important, very important. I repeat once again, and then let's move to the, we have done this. I hope if you want to see how it has been done, please see the previous video. Oh, this has been done in the wrong way. Oh, now I'll have to please manage. This is this has been missed. I missed to. Now see, the question is name 3 animals. Please try to understand. There's 3 animals who fleece is used for making woolen fibers. This is, I'm writing here answer 1. Oh, please manage, see the question, page number 220, D part, question number 1. Okay, I'm just writing it so that question is name 3 animals whose fleece is used for making wool fiber. So you can write the answer like this. Answer 1, you can write like this: 3 animals whose fleece is used for making woolen fibers are sheep, goat, camel, and even you can choose any 3 among these. Name second question is name 3 common varieties of wool. It's given in book Angora, Pashmina, Shatush. Okay, give the meaning of the term sorting. Sorting, it's given in the keyword process of separating hair of different hair of, it is direct, I have taken it from keywords, different textures from the fleece. From the fleece. That's it. This answer is complete. Okay, so next question is define question number 4. 1, 2, 3, and question number 4 is sericulture. Okay, question number 4 is sericulture. This is sericulture. This page is in I forgot to rotate the page, and now since I am recording it, please manage sericulture. Sericulture is what? Sericulture, given in keyword, rearing of, just see the keyword, rearing of silkworm, rearing of silkworm to obtain silk. You can see the keyword. Okay, next question is how is silk fiber obtained from cocoon? How it is obtained? It is obtained by exposing the cocoon to the steam. Let's move to the next question. What is the next question? See, I again repeat, this is how it is obtained from cocoon. So by exposing them to steam. By answer number, this is answer number 5. Yes, 5. How it is obtained? By, please you write the complete answer. I'm just writing it in short. You kindly write complete answer. By exposing them means cocoon. By exposing them to steam, hot water, that is steam. Next question, name 2 countries in which silk is produced on large scale. 2 countries you may write, first of all, China, India, even Italy. Okay, any 2, choose any 2. So this D part is complete. D part complete. This is easy one. Okay, very easy, just 1 line answer. And keywords, I always say keywords याद कीजिए बहुत अच्छी तरह से. Now E part. What's the E part? This is E part. Again, this is inverted. Please manage. I repeat. How do woolen clothes keep us warm in winter? Physics question. I repeat always that the chapters are interlinked, and you should be able to relate it. So it is given in page number 214. Because how does it keep us warm in winter? Because wool traps what? Air, which is poor conductor of heat, and it does not allow our body heat to, simply you can copy from the book also, body heat to escape, and thus we remain warm. You write the complete answer. Fine. Next question is, let's see, this was the first question. Yeah, this was the first question of E. Now let's move to the next question. Describe, let me see what's there. Describe the purpose of scouring in the production of wool. Production of wool. It means answer 2. Sometimes it misbehaves, but never mind. But I'm trying to be friendly with this. Okay. Purpose of answer 2. Purpose of Purpose of the answer is given on page number 215. What is the purpose? Purpose of scouring is so that there is dirt and grease in the fleece, so it has to be cleaned by washing with detergent in hot water in large tanks. Okay, this is the purpose. Purpose क्या साफ करना, जो fleece निकला है उसको production of purpose of scouring is cleaning. You write the complete answer. Okay, it is given in page number 215. You can directly write it from there. Scouring. Okay, scouring. Next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is state the practical uses of the long short yarn threads obtained during the making of wool. Answer 3 is on page number this is 215. Long thread is used for making sweater, mufflers, caps, gloves. Okay, gloves, you can see the book also. And this is longer threads are usually knitted to make sweater, mufflers, caps, gloves, socks, etc. Whereas shorter thread is used for, इसको बनाया जाता है woven to make woolen fabric. Shorter threads are woven to make woolen fabrics. Which are used for making what? Coat, trouser, woolen trouser, jackets, shawls, etc. Okay. Shawls, etc. So this is question number 3. Okay, next question is I hope कि इस बार सही, ये अब सही लग रहा है देखने में. It was, I should have taken care of. Write a short note on rearing of I hope things are something, it seems that something has gone wrong. Okay, let me see if it has. Okay, state. So list the 3 values. So what are the values? That is sacrifice. One of the most important values, sacrifice, devotion, helpfulness. These are the devotion, sacrifice, and helping others are the, helping others are the values that Madam Sevika has been honored of for. State the role of silkworm in the production of silk. Roll of silk. This is a silkworm in the production where it lays the egg. Okay. So next is, this is find out yourself. Find out yourself. Name the different breeds of sheep found in India and the place where they are found. Just try to find out कहाँ कहाँ पर मिलता है. It is also given in the book. हरियाणा, गुजरात, कश्मीर, है ना. It is a do you know. Do you know. मैं go to do you know. It is there. Okay. Wool animal in different countries. About the hazard of working in wool, anthrax disorder disease, है ना. चलो. So different varieties of silk. Okay, done. Chalo. This you can do in the notebook. Make a paste. Take map and mark it. Paste in the notebook and mark where along the name of silk saree on political map of India. Find the names of different varieties of silk made in India. Also find the names of traditional silk saree in different part of country. Paste the picture of paste one map and describe it here. I hope this chapter is clear to you. And if there is any issues, you can talk to me again. And thank you. I showed it since the chapter is complete. So one smiley is can be a white smile. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.